130 में नीड ఫస్ట్ వాటర్ క్వాలిటీ ఉండే బిఫోర్ యాక్చువల్లీ చాలా అది లేకపోతే పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం 30,000 టీడీఎస్ పెట్టుకొని మీరు ఆ నీళ్ళు పంపిస్తున్నా బయటకు వస్తున్నాయంటే
I would like to introduce Sri Ranjit S. Jabbi and conduct the session. Mr. Ranjit S. Jabbi joined the Confederation of Indian Industry CII in May 2009 in the Trade Fairs Division. Mr. Jabbi is responsible for organizing trade fairs and exhibitions overseas and the new initiatives in trade fairs for CII. His interest is in organizing shows in the social sector, healthcare, water and sanitation, food security, and agriculture. Prior to this, he has been in manufacturing and export industry for 19 years in companies of different sizes having annual turnover up to 250 million. He had been student of National Institute of Fashion Technology, Delhi. He has also completed the Maple Leadership Program at Management Development Institute in Gurgaon in 2012. We have with us Sri N.N. Samant, Joint Secretary Administration, Ministry of Water Resources as panelist of the session. I would like to introduce Sri N.N. Samant. Sri N.N. Samant, an Indian administrative officer, have graduation in technical subjects and master in geology. He has been extensively involved with planning and program implementation, energy, environment, power, and water-related issues. Prior to joining the present assignment in the Ministry of Water Resources, he was Principal Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya in Finance, PWD, Social Welfare and Labour Departments. He also looks after, among other things, PSUs like WAPCOS, NPCC, and administrative and establishment matters relating to organizations like Central Water Commission and Central Groundwater Board. I would like to introduce Sri Romit Sen as one of the panelists. Romit Sen, a Master's in Natural Resource Management, is an environment professional with experience in areas of program implementation, training, and capacity building, research and analysis of policies, programs, and projects. Currently, he is leading the FICCI Water Mission Secretariat to work with member companies on water efficiency and conservation. He has written extensively on state of drinking water and sanitation in India, authored 2 books and several articles. I would also like to introduce Dr. Ajay Pradhan on the dais. Dr. Pradhan is currently Managing Director of CH2M Hill, India and Halcro, India. Dr. Pradhan has over 24 years of experience in directing and coordinating multidisciplinary team of experts engaged in various types of water resources management. He's an expert in IT tools like modeling, DSS, remote sensing, real-time data management, etc. He's a member of Board of Management of KIIT University, Board of Director in Industrial Research and Development, IIT Delhi, and member of Academic Council, IMT University, Gurgaon. The officer in charge and rapporteur for the session is Sri A.K. Agarwal, Director, and assisted by Sri Abhay Kumar and Sri Ramesh Sambharia, Deputy Directors from Central Water Commission. Handing over the floor, I take the pleasure of handing over the floor to Chairman of the session, Sri Ranjit S. Jabbi, and request them to conduct the session. Please.
Thank you. Mr. N.S. Samant, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Water Resources, Government of India. Mr. Ajay Pradhan, Managing Director, CH2M Hill, India Private Limited. Mr. Romit Sen, Senior Assistant Director, FICCI. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning and a very warm welcome to the brainstorming session on water neutral industry, myth or reality. I'm going to just change the name of this session a bit. We were given zero water industry. I've changed it a bit to water neutral industry, just so that it is more practical and more pragmatic. Okay. Industries play a very important role in economic development and particularly in employment generation. Industrial growth has 2 direct impacts on water resources, planning and management. These are A, planning for considerable increase in the industrial water demand, and B, addressing the effect of industrial wastes, including effluents and quality of various water sources. It is heartening to note that many industries and federations of industrial houses have shown keen interest in water-related issues and have initiated actions for measures like rainwater harvesting, adoption of techniques and technologies for efficient water management, and wastewater treatment. Such measures are definitely very encouraging and most welcome. The concept of zero water industry has been under discussion for